COVID-19 affected all of us. Mental health ravaged havoc in a lot of people. Business owners and business executives were not spared, especially looking at the fact that SARS this year and the past year tightened their collection systems. A lot of people received letter of demands and various notifications from SARS. Receiving a letter of demand or any SARS notification for that matter creates undue stress and panic for many people. In this video, I will unpack what is a letter of demand and what steps do you need to take upon receiving it. Hi, my name is 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐿𝐵𝐿𝐵𝐿. I'm the Managing Director of Brendmo Accountants as well as 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 Advisory. We are accountants as well as tax practitioners for business growth, simply because we partner with businesses and help them to achieve their financial strength through the top line growth as well as the increase in their bottom line. For you not to miss out on our future content on how to save on tax as well as any business related content, subscribe to our business hub. Today, I just want to unpack the letter of demand as well as what you need to do when you receive it, the steps that you need to take upon receiving it. Before the panic take you down, you need to understand the facts on that letter and make sure that the facts on that letter of demand are factually correct. First of all, you first need to look at the addressee. Who is addressed on this letter? Who is the addressee? Is it you? Is it your company? Is it actually the correct name of your company? Is it your company name? You'll be surprised of the number of letter of demands that landed in a lot of wrong hands. Yet, probably you'd have created panic and caused unnecessary stress for yourself. Okay, you need to check the name first. That's the first thing. Is it you? Secondly, you need to verify the amount that is stated on that letter of demand. That is the amount that SARS is alleging that you owe them, or that SARS is alleging that your company is owing them. Check if it's factually correct. Someone can say, how do I do that? You actually need to just go to your eFiling profile and pull out the statement of account for the tax type that SARS is alleging you to owe them. Let's say, for example, it's income tax. Pull the income tax statement of account and agree the amount, pay the letter of demand and the statement of account. If it's correct, that probably means you are owing SARS that amount. After doing that, the other important thing that you need to do is to take note of the time that letter was sent, the date the letter was sent to you, as well as the time frame that SARS has given you to take the necessary step or the next step. Normally, SARS gives 5 to 10 working days, sometimes 21 business working days to take the necessary step. After you have verified the facts around the letter of demand, you need to take action. Don't sit with that letter of demand and actually say, that's it, I don't know what to do. So you need actually to take necessary steps. In this video, I am going to go through 4 remedies that you need to take upon receiving the letter of demand. Remedy number 1, you should resource permit settle the debt once and for all, and that's easy. But resources sometimes might not permit. Remedy number 2, you can arrange for the settlement plan. If you don't have enough resources and if you can prove that you are cash flow constrained, you won't be able to settle the debt in full, you can apply for that settlement plan and it's allowed, and SARS understand and accept that remedy. Settlement plan is where you are saying to SARS, I can only afford to give you 1,000 or 5,000 per month, depending on the amount that you are owing, as well as the anticipated time frame that you're looking at settling the debt in full. Step number 3, whilst applying for the settlement plan, also apply for the suspension of payment. It is necessary when you have a case that is not yet settled with SARS, or you are waiting for a response from SARS. Don't sit and do nothing and say, I'm still waiting on SARS. Do that suspension of payment application till the dispute is resolved. Remedy number 4, and the most important one, that in my opinion, taxpayers do not necessarily understand or do not really utilize, is the debt compromise. Debt compromise is when you say the company is not doing very well and you don't even have resources to make a payment plan or make a settlement plan and also even settle the debt in full. And you are not necessarily disputing that, but you are telling SARS that out of the 500,000 that I'm owing you, I am able to pay 150 in full and final settlement. SARS will analyze your situation and decide to accept, sometimes even write off that 350,000 debt. Bear in mind, SARS will do the assessment to see the reasonableness of the request. Watch out for the video that we're going to post again that will outline how does SARS analyze and assess if they should actually accept your debt compromise proposal. We spoke about 4 remedies you should take upon receiving a letter of demand. So in other words, don't stress out. Remember, receiving letter of demand is not the end of the world. And don't sit on that letter. Take necessary action. Call your accountants, call your tax practitioner and let them know about this letter of demand. Your accountants or tax practitioner will be able to help you sort this out. Okay, that's it for today. If you liked the content on this video, hit the like button and subscribe and share. Bye for now. Thank you.